And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:44 this morning, and when you look at satellite and radar, you can clearly see where our low pressure center is. Look at that counterclockwise rotation. Actually, pretty strong area of low pressure, pretty strong cold front for some, not so much Texas. The cold front is pushing into the state, but this back end of the cold front is losing strength. It does not have much energy associated with it. The bulk of the energy is right around the low pressure center. That is where the bulk of the rain is going to be, the heaviest rain. In Texas, we are seeing some shower and thunderstorm activity, but not as much as there's going to be later today. Check out where the severe weather threat is. Yeah, from northern Mississippi to western Kentucky, southern Illinois. In there could actually be some tornadoes. We saw some tornadoes in parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas yesterday. Could happen again today. Notice no severe weather threat for the state of Texas. Again, that kind of shows you where the energy is with this front. And it's probably going to make it to central Texas by this evening, and then it's going to stall out. So it's not coming here to the valley. However, with a front approaching, it's breaking down the ridge of high pressure just enough to allow for a few more clouds for us and a little bit of a rain chance, but not much. 8 a.m. we're dry, partly cloudy. Notice as we get into the early afternoon, a little bit of green popping up. Couldn't say that over the weekend, but I do think a stray shower or two are going to be around for the afternoon, but don't be surprised if you don't see rain, because the majority of us are going to be missing out. It's going to be breezy today, but this is going to be the last really breezy day for a while. Looks like our winds are going to be backing off after today. It's still going to be hot. The heat index today is going to be around 106. Even at 5 o'clock, can't rule out a stray shower or two around. But by the time we get into the evening hours, clouds break up. It'll be mostly clear, and I think it's going to stay mostly clear all night long, even into tomorrow morning. We're going to start out with mostly sunny skies. But in the afternoon, here comes the sea breeze again. A few showers are going to be around. It's still going to be hot. Heat index is still going to be 106. And as I mentioned, I don't think the winds are going to be as strong as they have been. We've been in a pretty windy pattern. I don't think it's going to be quite as windy tomorrow. The pressure gradient backing off just a little bit. In the afternoon, still going to try and push those showers and storms west, but it's going to be a struggle to see them move into Hidalgo and Starr County. A few might get lucky, but majority of us are going to be missing out. And by the time we get to 7 o'clock Tuesday evening, it's back to mostly clear skies. So weather today and tomorrow and even on Wednesday is going to be remarkably similar. About the only difference is that today is still pretty breezy. Gusts around 25, and in the days ahead, I don't think it's going to be quite as breezy. There'll still be a breeze, but not as strong of a breeze. Sustained winds are going to be pretty steady around 15 miles per hour, really from the time we get to 10 a.m. through the afternoon. And a hot one, 99, and it's going to feel like 106. Tonight looks dry and mostly clear, but only cooling down to 79. Normal low this time of year, 76. So yeah, even it's typically muggy this time of year, but it's going to be a little extra muggy. And you'll notice that on this 7-day, we still got a lot of 100s, and those overnight lows stay in the upper 70s. I think the sea breeze is going to be around through Wednesday, but again, we're just talking about 10% chances every day, so it's very likely that there'll be lots of people that end up staying dry all 3 days. Everybody's dry on Thursday and Friday, it looks like. It looks like back to mostly sunny skies. We would probably cool down a little bit on Thursday and Friday if not for all that sunshine. By the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, it does look like that ridge of high pressure is going to break down a little bit more. Those will be our coolest days, but that's certainly not cool weather. At 98 is still above normal for this time of year, and the heat index is still going to be over the triple-digit mark.